Hello student, this is Rani Gupta with the lesson in English, that is Raoul the Owl. Now before starting the story, I want to say about the starter which is given in your book about the two personality, that is Louis Braille and Kalpana Chawla. Louis Braille, as he was of 3 years of age and he was playing in the workshop of his father, that was the shoe workshop, and as you know, in the workshop too many pointed tools are kept, and when he was playing with this tool he got it hurt in his eyes, and after that he has to face the blindness. But if you are talking about Louis Braille, he does not give his hope and he continued his study. He has longing of studying too many books, so he discovered the method of script which was used by blind people, which was called as Braille script. In this script, in this book, what was happening, that the letters which could not be seen by the blind person can be felt and touched by hand, they could understand the letter. And with the help of Braille script, now numbers of people, you can say the blind people, are benefited. They could also study. So we learn from this personality that we should never give hope and we should continue our life for doing something good. And in the same way, if you are talking about Kalpana Chawla, she used to not, if you are knowing about her belonging, she was not from a big town, she was also from a small town, and she used to drive with his brother, and when she drives, she used to watch the aircraft on the sky, in the sky, and when she saw that, she has the longing to fly in the air. So because of this ambition, she became the astronaut. So both the personality shows that both were ambitious in their life. Same in the same story now, which we are going to read about a owl, which is the written by J. Williams. It also gives us some lesson which is very much useful for you all students. So what is the story? The story is about the Raoul, the owl, which is living with his family in a hollow wood. And he has one of the disadvantage that he could not see at the night, or you can say in the dark. So this disability made him very tame that he could not hunt for his food. When his family members were out hunting the food, he has to remain in the tree so that he could be fed by his brother. He could not go outside because he could see fiercely. He got hurt by the trees or by the bushes. So this advantage totally made him very much sad. One day his brother, you, all his family used to live with him. His brother Rufus, he was the middle brother, started making mockery of him, laughing at him because they used to give him food which they hunted. So one day when they could not see Raul hunting the food, they used to laugh at him that he has to depend on the food on his brother and his parent. So Raul was very sad and he could not give reply to his brother also. So he decided that he would hunt in the daylight. So when his parents, his brother heard that, they thought, especially Raul's father told that it is the habit of owl to hunt not in the daylight, but it is to hunt in the night. And as you know, every mother cares for their child. In the same way, Raul's mother was also caring nature. So she also, after hearing that, fainted. Then what happened? Raul was ready to go outside in the daylight. Yes, he was ready to go outside to hunt for his food. But his brother commented that Arctic owl only goes in the daylight. So his father remarked that Raul was not an Arctic owl. So he should not go in the daylight and it may be some danger for him. But after requesting of Raul, he got the permission and his father also commented that you will do good in your life and so you can go in the daylight and hunt, but be a good owl. This was his father comment. And then when this Raul entered the daylight, as you know, every owl hunt in the night and Raul has decided to hunt for the food in the daylight. So when his family returned to the house to take a rest, he used to go outside for hunting. So when Raul left the house and when he saw, he was very happy to see the yellow sun, the lightning sun, the flowers, the bushes, the meadows, the bees. He was very happy to see because it was his first time to see all these things in the daylight. And when he saw a mouse also. And after seeing that mouse, he tried to attack on that mouse. What is the name of that mouse? The name of the mouse is Bertram. And you know, Bertram, when he found that owl was attacking on him, he started shouting, "Stop, stop, hawk!" Because hawk, he could see owl and he thought that it was a hawk. But what was that? It was the Raul the owl. So when he told, Raul commented that I am not the hawk Why you said me hawk? So the mouse replied that I am not the hawk, then why you told me as a hawk? So he told that it's because any owl does not hunt in the daylight and you are attacking me on the daylight. So Raul, he said his story, all his disability, disadvantage to the mouse, the Bertram. So when you understand the story, mouse became the friend of owl. Now they were the best friend. And when this Raul and Bertram become friend, Raul asked Bertram to come on his back and help him to see the forest. And after seeing the forest, the mouse and Raul, especially the Raul, was too much happy because he was first time out in the day. He saw number of flowers, bees, meadows, and after but scorching of heat of the sun made Raul uneasy. So Bertram said, don't feel uneasy because there are person living in the big houses has also to face this sun. So he offered him one spectacles, you can say goggles to him. Who has offered? Raul has offered to, the Bertram has offered to Raul the owl. And when he was feeling happy now because he was gifted as goggles by his friend mouse. And what happened when Raul see all this thing, that now the Bertram, the mouse, has become the friend. Bertram offered him a cheese to eat. As you know, mouse like cheese. But after getting the cheese, Raul was also happy. No, because as you know, the beak of owl is made that cheese stick in his beak. So he said, it is a sticky thing. It is uneasy to eat. I can't eat it. It is sticky. The second thing again, Raul was given by the Bertram it was corn. After getting the corn, Raul replied that it is too hard. This is also not eaten by me. So after the two things which was offered by Bertram was cheese and corn. So when the mouse Bertram understand that owl does not eat this all thing, he brought a box of bird seed from the house. Bird seed which can be taken by the bird. So this bird seed, when Raul get this bird seed, he was very happy. He said, what a delicious, what a tasty to eat this bird seed. And both of them became friends. And after getting this bird seed, Raul returned to the house. They both friends also promised that again they will meet in the future. When, as you know, when Raul returned to the home, as every parents care for their child, his mother again asks, just how are you? You are well. You have gone outside in the daylight. You would be starving. You would have not got food to eat. So your father has brought a mouse. Just eat it. So Raul, he said, mouse? Not. I can't eat that mouse because now mouse is my friend. So you understand that how the relation of a friend has increased. And then this Raul, said all his story to their parents. So his parents one day was talking to the neighbors also about his son Raul. So they were talking that Raul used to go in the daylight to hunt the animals. So when Raul heard this talking of their parents to neighbor, his father told that my Raul is a very good owl and nothing can keep a good owl down. If the person is good, he could not be put down. So this was the line said. This made very happy to the Raul, and then Raul was very much happy and he slept snoring his nose, and at last he was too happy and he continued his life hunting for the food in the daylight. So what is the moral lesson of this story? Moral lesson of this story is that we should not give hope in our life with our any of the disability, with any of our disadvantage. We should make it as a power. So we learn from this all, that is Raul, or from the personality Louis Braille or Kalpana Chawla, that the person should not lose hope whether what condition should be, and he or she should always be ready to complete his aim, and ambitious. To be ambitious is to be a good thing in your life. So thank you student. I am again with the next time with the new story, and so keep learning, keep studying.